So here's a really simple one for you. We're going to look at this action now. What this action does, it allows your mods to post to multiple chats when you're live streaming. Really simple. So I've got my two chats behind here, and you get this off the StreamUp website. So if you go to the StreamUp website, which I'm going to load up really quick for you. You go to products, you go all the way down to freebies, you'll see mod post and multi-streaming chats. Right? You just grab that and import the code. Explains the settings that you have and all of them at your disposal. So we'll just close it down. Once you've imported it, you'll get this. So like I said, at the top, there's some settings. Mod post, this is going to tag the message at the beginning. I like to leave it a mod post, so you can do what you want. But mod post is quite good. Do you want it to post source? So i.e., if it comes from Twitch, do you want to send it back to Twitch, or do you want it just to go to YouTube? Likewise, if it comes from YouTube, do you want it to go to Twitch, or do you want it just to stay in, or do you want it to come back to YouTube? Does it go back to the source? I'm going to leave this to true for now, but normally I would have this as off, as false. And again, bot is, does it post with a bot account? Nice and easy. Nothing else needs to change there. So if we load up our two chats, we can do post. And as you can see, it posts a chat. Fortunately, I have to do this live on YouTube because I have no idea really how YouTube works. So I have to do it while I'm live on YouTube. And you can see, mod post, that post there that I did, it's sent back to Twitch here, and it's sent to YouTube. And if I send that on YouTube, mod post, it's gonna give a few seconds. It's sent it back to YouTube, which obviously would normally have off, but it's also sending it to Twitch. So it means that your mods can now send nice messages to the whole community if they wanted to, i.e., or if you want to get involved in this game now, you can do this, or if you want to do this, you can do that, and stuff like that. That is how this works. It's really easy, really good. If you have any questions about it, do reach out to me. But for this video, I'm done. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.